Yo, what's up? This is Kokayi, and I'm here today to rep Smitty's Beard Essentials. You know, that essential thing for your beard. Brought to you by Angie. So she gave me some products, and what I wanted to do was make this tutorial because what I found is that sometimes we as men do not have the correct product that should go into our beards. So what you wind up with is that dry, scraggly, Brillo pad beard. And what you think you should do is just throw some shampoo in that junk, wash it out, and then you good money. But if you want a lush Philly beard, the long, not necessarily the good Pharaoh beard, what you should probably do is get you some beard wash, some conditioner, and then some beard butter and a beard comb. So what I'm gonna do for you right now is give you those things and show you how to put those products into your beard. So what you should do is you should get the beard wash and squirt some beard wash into your hand. Not a whole bunch, but enough that you can lather that gel up. See that lather? You get that lather. Ooh, that's on the other camera, lather. And then you just put that gel, apply it into your beard, work that thing in there, get that lather going. You know what I'm saying? Get that movement, get that monkey face. You gotta do your lip like that. You don't do your lip like that, it don't work well. So you get that popping, right? And you lather that up. And sometimes, you know, if you have hair like mine, it will swallow all of that product up. It will give that product a full situation. And so I like to just be sure that I'm good and lathery in it, right? And you lather up, get the beard good and lathered, boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Get up in there, get up in there, get up in there, get under there. And you gotta kind of like work from the root to the end, work from the roots to the end. And it's the same kind of move when you do it with the conditioner. So that's the first part. Then you gotta rinse this. And once you rinse this, then you gotta come back for the second part. So after you got everything rinsed out, what you should probably do is condition. I'm not used to conditioner because, as you can tell, there was nothing to condition. But now that I have this, you know, whole situation going on, the follicles have decided, the hair has decided to, you know, move this way. What I did do is get some Smitty's Beard Essentials conditioner. And now that I have the conditioner, what I like to do is add in a few drops, and that's what the instructions tell you. Add a few drops, and you're gonna do, once again, you're gonna work from the root until the end of the hair, right? So let's pop that open and get a nice little joint full, and then bong, bong, couple of drops, bong, bong, right? So you got a nice little smooth right there, and boom, 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 rub it in, and then bow, working from the root, once again, to the end of the hair. From the root, all the way to the end of the hair. Root, hair, right? And depending on how long your beard is, I don't know. I had to talk to Smitty's Beard about it, but maybe you might need a few extra drops, but not so much, right? But you get that conditioner in there, and you let that set, and you get that in the beard, right? And then we'll be back. So now that you got your conditioner in, right, the next step is to apply. What I love is this next part is that good butter, right? You get that butter, and you put about a nickel-sized dollop, right? You get a nickel-sized dollop, which is about like yay, right? You get that nickel-sized yay dollop, and then you just rub that in your hand, you know what I'm saying? And like, once again, like you did in the beginning, work that joint in from the root, try to get to the roots, all the way to the end of the hair. That's how I like to do it, you know what I'm saying? Massage that joint up in there, and get that thing up in there, and get that butter on there, you know what I'm saying? Get that butter on that hair and them follicles, you know what I'm saying? Grab it, don't be afraid, don't be shook off your beard is not gonna go nowhere. I don't know, some of y'all might be sensitive, had a sensitive skin. I mean, you know, I got sensitive skin too. My skin is sensitive, but my beard is strong. You know what I'm saying? And it's strong because, and strong is not necessarily a word. Strong is the actual word, but it's strong because I put the premium beard butter in there by Smitty's Beard Essentials. And after you've applied your butter, you break out the fabulous Smitty Beard Essentials comb. And you run that through. Just run it through. Run it through. You know what I'm saying? And get yourself nice. Work that product in there. Work it in. You know what I'm saying? Get it all in it now. I don't know if you got a pick. I'm waiting for the Smitty Beard Essentials beard pick to come out as soon as we can get that popping. And yeah, so you could pick it out. I like to use the comb first to get the product all the way in, and then I just go get my fabulous pick and I pick it, you know what I'm saying, just to make sure that it's out there and fluffy, because I like fluffy beard. I don't want the you know, shrunken bad Jerry curl beard. And you're gonna get that bad Jerry curl beard without activator if you don't use the products. So if you don't use the beard wash and the beard conditioner and the beard butter along with the beard comb, you're gonna find yourself with the good scruggle beard, and you're gonna look like I can't even remember, what was that? I'm gonna get you, sucker. You're gonna look like one of these Jones where the Jerry curl juice and the activator was not around and that thing began to shrivel up. You don't want a shrivel beard. You know what I'm saying? Just take it from me. Shrivel beard is no bueno. You want a full lush beard, and you're gonna get that with Smitty's Beard Essentials. For all the vegetarian, vegans, and plant-based folks out there, the products are 100% vegan. 100% vegan. So, yo, fabulous. Beard is done. Bong. Bong. Everything is bonged up. I don't need any chapstick. I'm all emollient, all straight. All right, so now what you need to do is make sure that you get the beard wash, you get the conditioning oil, you get the premium beard butter, and you get the beard comb. And you can buy those products separately, but why would you? When you can get it all in a set for 48 bucks. That's $2 less than 50. You spend more than that on drinks or shoes, and you don't ever want to pull up on anybody with a struggle beard and cut them in the face, because you don't have the softness of the good lush beard that's now happening after you purchase the products. Just remember to purchase them at angiewatts.com, ANGIEWATTS.com, and you can follow Smitty's Beard Essentials on Instagram at Smitty's, SMITTYS, Beard, BEARD, Essentials. You know how to spell that, or you need to go get spelling bee lessons from the young lady that just won. So do that. Do those three things. Follow, purchase, and go to, right? And I'll see you with your lush beard. Maybe we'll have a beard convention. Everybody can get together, compare beards. That's not gonna happen. But yeah, let's do that. Peace, thank you. Go.